Hey guys, so I just got a new mic recently and I was having issues getting it to work with my phone with the audio cable and the adapter. And I just wanted to post the solution that I had to the issue and maybe it could help someone else. So I use a Samsung A53 and it doesn't have an audio jack. It only has a Type-C port. And so I had to get, this is the audio cable for the mic, by the way. And I had to get an adapter, a Type-C to audio adapter that I could plug the mic into my phone. But then I noticed that the mic wasn't working with the adapter. I couldn't get audio input to my phone when I was trying to get a video. I thought maybe the adapter might have been the issue, so I tried with my headphones. So this is the audio cable for my headphones, and I realized that the adapter did work, so I could get audio output to my headphones, but I couldn't get audio input to my phone with the mic. So I did some research. I saw a lot of people were having issues with this. People were saying it's a Samsung thing, and I had kind of already given up at some point. And then I saw some people talking about how the different audio jacks that there are. So there's two different types of audio jacks. There is a tip ring sleeve, and there is a tip ring sleeve audio jacks. You'll notice that the mic one has two lines on the thing, and my headphones has three lines. So it has a tip, a ring, and a sleeve, and this one only has a tip, a ring, and a sleeve. So then I realized that I had to get another adapter to work with this one. So I went and got this one. This is an audio jack to audio jack, but you can use your headphones and your mic with it. But you'll notice that this one, unlike the mic, this one has three lines. So it also has a tip, ring, and a sleeve. And so this one would then ideally allow me to then input audio into my phone. Ultimately, the solution that I had for this was I had to plug this adapter into my phone and then plug this adapter into this adapter. Excuse me, I'm only using one hand, like that. And I had to then plug the mic into this adapter. Nope, sorry, wrong one. Into this adapter. And that's how I got my mic to work. So I have two adapters plugged into my phone. My phone would be here. I'm not using the mic currently, and I'm using my phone to film this video. But yeah, that is the solution that I had. Hope this helps. Thanks. Bye.